Nah, none of these went off. Not even that did. I'll make that stop beeping in a minute. Oh, this didn't go off. You little...
Reports from around New England. In Hampshire, Manchester, it was cloudy. The temperature was 42 degrees, with dew point 32, giving a relative humidity of 67%. The wind was out at 12 miles an hour.
Wow, that thing's so loud. That went off? Huh. Shut the fuck up! Excuse me? Right, first warning in over a month. Frickin' finally. These both failed, so I'm gonna fix those here once I shut this camera down.